again, another Eurovision reactions. You know the drill by now. It's another reaction to a Eurovision song for review and commentary purposes, which, you know, is the thing that I do now. It's a thing that I do daily, and today, the randomly selected country for me to watch and react to is Ukraine. Which, first of all, it's great that they're still competing in Eurovision in general, considering everything they're going through right now. These past couple of years have not been kind to Ukraine, unfortunately, but thankfully they're still showing resilience by at least trying to live life as they should. And this year, their song is by an artist named Zifferblatt. I hope I said that correctly. And the song's name is Bird of Prey. At least I didn't have to struggle over pronouncing that thing, but yeah, so I liked last year's song for Ukraine. I liked it a lot. I especially liked the performance, the stage performance, the live stage performance with the two singers, two different styles mixing and mashing together. But yeah, and I believe they did actually get very high in the rankings by the end. So hopefully the same thing can be done for Ukraine this year with Bird of Prey by, again, hopefully I'm saying the guy's name correctly, Zifferblatt. Let's watch. With the band.
Зайдеш і до мене, моя пташка, крилами пісня злітає важка, серденько, серце кохане, не турбуйся, доля довірила світ останнім із нас. Я світло шукаю, гори зверну. And I call you fly, but I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me and my little bird of prey. Вертайся додому, рідна стежка, спів перелітних пташок народить весну. Fly, but I'm begging you, just care of me and my little bird. Fly like a bird. Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who flies.
Whoa,
I'm begging you,
that's cool.
begging
I like
you,
that.
please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me and my little bird of
Okay, that was nice. It wasn't as epic as last year's song. Uh, or I didn't which is to say, I didn't like it as much as I liked the song from the previous year, but I still liked it. I get the vibes they were going for with the whole '70s aesthetic, and but yeah, it was an okay song. It wasn't great. It didn't really do too much to me. It didn't move me too much. But I will say I really liked that thing bit at the end there where just all the lights switched off and then came back on. That I think I would have liked this song a little bit more if they had a bit more of that. Like something to keep the song more interesting. Which isn't to say that the song isn't interesting. It's just, it's missing some stuff. And that thing at the end there was exactly what it needed to pump some energy back into it. Uh, but that's that. I mean, that's the song for Ukraine. I wish them the best of luck in the Eurovision and outside of the Eurovision with everything that they're going. But overall, yeah, it's another Eurovision song. I've reacted to plenty of these, and this is another one. And tomorrow there will be another. So let me know what you think in the comments below. What you think about this song and what you think about my opinions on the song. And I'll see you tomorrow with another one. Goodbye for now. Hi there. Thank you for watching the video. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends. I'll see you next time.